As someone who has struggled with managing my blood pressure and overall health, I'm excited to share my journey with the Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension diet. This transformative eating plan has not only helped me regain control of my health but has also inspired me to share its benefits with others who may be in a similar situation. The diet is a scientifically backed approach to nutrition that focuses on reducing the risk of hypertension, or high blood pressure, by emphasizing the consumption of whole, nutrient-dense foods. It's a versatile and flexible diet that can be tailored to individual needs, making it an accessible and sustainable option for those looking to improve their health. What is the diet? The diet was originally developed by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, as a way to help individuals manage and prevent high blood pressure. However, its benefits extend far beyond just blood pressure regulation. The diet emphasizes the consumption of a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat or non-fat dairy products, while limiting the intake of sodium, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. One of the key aspects of the diet is its focus on portion control and balanced macronutrient intake. By encouraging the consumption of nutrient-dense foods and limiting the intake of processed and high-sodium items, the diet helps to promote overall health and well-being. Health benefits of the diet. The diet has been extensively studied and has been shown to offer a wide range of health benefits, including blood pressure reduction. The diet is particularly effective in lowering both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it an excellent choice for individuals with hypertension or those at risk of developing the condition. Heart health improvement. By reducing the intake of saturated and trans fats, the diet can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Diabetes management. The diet's emphasis on whole, complex carbohydrates and fiber-rich foods can help improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, making it a beneficial choice for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Weight management. The diet's focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods can support healthy weight loss and maintenance, making it an effective tool for individuals looking to manage their weight. Bone health. The diet's inclusion of calcium-rich dairy products and other bone-supporting nutrients can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Cancer prevention. Some studies have suggested that the diet may also help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer, due to its emphasis on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Understanding the principles of the diet is built upon several key principles that guide its approach to healthy eating. Emphasis on fruits and vegetables. The diet recommends consuming 4-5 servings of fruits and 4-5 servings of vegetables per day, as these food groups are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whole grains and lean proteins. The diet encourages the consumption of whole grains, such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oats, as well as lean protein sources, like chicken, fish, and legumes. Low-fat or non-fat dairy products. The diet recommends incorporating low-fat or non-fat dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, to ensure adequate calcium and other essential nutrients. Sodium reduction. The diet emphasizes the importance of limiting sodium intake, typically recommending no more than 2,300 milligrams per day, or even lower for individuals with hypertension. Moderation of sweets and fats. The diet encourages the limited consumption of added sugars, saturated fats, and trans fats, which can contribute to various health issues. Getting started with the diet. Starting the diet can be a straightforward and manageable process. Here are the key steps to get you on the path to better health. Assess your current eating habits. Take some time to reflect on your current dietary patterns, identifying areas where you can make improvements to align with the diet guidelines. Set achievable goals. Establish specific, measurable, and time-bound goals that will help you stay motivated and on track throughout your diet journey. Gradually transition to the diet. Rather than making drastic changes all at once, focus on gradually incorporating more friendly foods into your daily routine, making the transition more sustainable. Explore friendly recipes. Discover a wide variety of delicious and nutritious approved recipes that can help you stay excited about your new way of eating. Incorporate regular physical activity. Pair your diet efforts with regular physical activity, as exercise can further enhance the health benefits and support your overall well-being. Track your progress. Regularly monitor your progress, whether it's through tracking your blood pressure, weight, or other health markers, to stay motivated and make any necessary adjustments to your DASH diet plan. DASH diet meal planning. Meal planning is a crucial aspect of the DASH diet, as it helps ensure that you're consistently consuming a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Here are some tips to help you effectively plan DASH-friendly meals. Create a weekly meal plan. Sit down at the beginning of each week and plan out your meals, making sure to incorporate a variety of DASH-approved foods. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Focus on filling your plate with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat or non-fat dairy products. Limit sodium-heavy ingredients. Be mindful of your sodium intake by avoiding processed foods, canned goods, and high-sodium seasonings. Experiment with flavorful herbs and spices. Utilize a wide range of herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals without relying on salt. Meal prep for convenience. Set aside time on the weekends or evenings to prepare DASH-friendly meals and snacks, making it easier to stick to your plan during the week. Incorporate variety. Rotate through different DASH-approved recipes and food combinations to keep your meals interesting and prevent boredom. DASH diet-friendly recipes to help you get started on your DASH diet journey. Here are some delicious and nutritious recipes that align with the diet's principles. Grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. Enjoy a serving of heart-healthy omega-3 rich salmon paired with a colorful array of roasted vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchini, and onions. Quinoa and black bean burrito bowl. Build a satisfying and fiber-rich burrito bowl with quinoa, black beans, avocado, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of low-fat cheese. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken breasts. Stuff lean chicken breasts with a flavorful mixture of fresh spinach, crumbled feta, and herbs for a protein-packed meal. Lentil and vegetable soup. Warm up with a comforting bowl of lentil and vegetable soup, packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Whole wheat pasta with tomato basil sauce. Enjoy a satisfying serving of whole wheat pasta tossed in a homemade tomato basil sauce, made with fresh tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Roasted vegetable and quinoa salad. Create a nutrient-dense salad by combining roasted vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and red onions, with protein-rich quinoa. Incorporating exercise into your DASH diet journey. Pairing the DASH diet with regular physical activity can amplify the health benefits and support your overall well-being. Here are some tips to help you incorporate exercise into your DASH diet journey. Aim for 30-60 minutes of activity daily. Strive for a combination of cardiovascular exercises, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, along with strength training activities to build muscle and improve overall fitness. Find activities you enjoy. Experiment with different types of exercise to discover what you genuinely find enjoyable, as this will make it easier to stick to a consistent routine. Start slowly and gradually increase intensity. If you're new to exercise, begin with manageable activities and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you become more comfortable. Incorporate strength training. Resistance training, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, can help build and maintain muscle mass, which is essential for overall health and metabolism. Make exercise a lifestyle. Integrate physical activity into your daily routine, whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a brisk walk during your lunch break. Tracking your progress and staying motivated. Monitoring your progress and staying motivated are key to the long-term success of your DASH diet journey. Here are some strategies to help you track your progress and maintain your motivation. Set measurable goals. Establish specific, achievable goals, such as reducing your blood pressure by a certain amount or losing a specific number of pounds, to give you a clear sense of direction and progress. Track your health markers. Regularly monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, weight, and other relevant health markers to gauge the effectiveness of the DASH diet and make any necessary adjustments. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your successes, no matter how small, as this can help keep you motivated and inspired to continue your journey. Enlist the support of friends and family. Surround yourself with a network of supportive individuals who can encourage and motivate you throughout your DASH diet experience. Reflect on your progress. Take time to reflect on how far you've come and the positive changes you've experienced, both physically and mentally, to maintain a sense of accomplishment and drive. Tips for success on the DASH diet. To ensure your long-term success on the DASH diet, consider the following tips. Embrace gradual changes. Avoid drastic, unsustainable changes, and instead focus on making gradual, sustainable adjustments to your eating habits. Experiment with flavors. Explore a variety of Dash-approved herbs, spices, and seasonings to keep your meals interesting and flavorful. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your overall health and well-being. Prepare for challenges. Anticipate potential obstacles, such as social gatherings or dining out, and have a plan in place to navigate these situations while staying true to the Dash diet principles. Seek professional guidance. Consider consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to ensure you're implementing the Dash diet in a safe and effective manner. Potential challenges and how to overcome them. As with any lifestyle change, you may encounter some challenges while transitioning to the Dash diet. Here are some common obstacles and strategies to help you overcome them. Adjusting to a lower sodium diet. Reducing your sodium intake can be challenging, especially if you're used to heavily salted foods. Gradually decrease your sodium consumption. Experiment with flavorful herbs and spices, and read nutrition labels to identify lower sodium options. Overcoming cravings for unhealthy foods. It's natural to experience cravings for sugary, fatty, or salty foods. When these cravings arise, distract yourself with a Dash-friendly snack, go for a brief walk, or engage in a hobby to redirect your attention. Dining out or attending social events. Navigating social situations while following the Dash diet can be tricky. Research Dash-friendly menu options ahead of time, and don't be afraid to politely request modifications to dishes to make them more in line with the diet's principles. Maintaining motivation and consistency. Staying motivated and consistent can be a challenge, especially when faced with setbacks or a lack of visible progress. Celebrate your small victories, seek support from loved ones, and remember the long-term health benefits of the Dash diet. Incorporating sufficient physical activity. Integrating regular exercise into your routine can be daunting, especially if you're new to it. Start with activities you enjoy, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you become more comfortable. FAQs about the Dash diet. Q. Is the Dash diet suitable for vegetarians and vegans? A. Yes, the Dash diet can be easily adapted to accommodate vegetarian and vegan dietary preferences. By focusing on plant-based protein sources, such as legumes, nuts, and soy products, vegetarians and vegans can follow the Dash diet principles. Q. Can the Dash diet help with weight loss? A. Absolutely. The Dash diet's emphasis on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods can support healthy weight loss and maintenance. When combined with regular physical activity, the Dash diet can be an effective tool for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Q. How long does it take to see results from the Dash diet? A. The time it takes to see results can vary depending on your individual health goals and starting point. Many people report improvements in their blood pressure within the first few weeks of following the Dash diet, while weight loss and other long-term benefits may take several months to become evident. Q. Is the Dash diet suitable for individuals with diabetes? A. Yes. The Dash diet can be an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The diet's focus on whole, complex carbohydrates and fiber-rich foods can help improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Q. Can the Dash diet be combined with other dietary approaches? A. The Dash diet can be easily combined with other healthy eating plans, such as the Mediterranean diet or the flexitarian diet. By incorporating the principles of the Dash diet into a broader dietary framework, you can further optimize your health and well-being. Conclusion. Transforming your health with the Dash diet. As I reflect on my own Dash diet journey, I am filled with a sense of gratitude and excitement for the positive changes I've experienced. By embracing the principles of the Dash diet and making it a sustainable part of my lifestyle, I have not only improved my blood pressure and overall health but have also gained a newfound appreciation for the power of nutritious, whole food-based eating. If you're ready to embark on your own Dash diet journey and transform your health, I encourage you to take the first step today. Download our free Dash diet meal plan and recipe guide to get started. Together, we can achieve a healthier, more vibrant future.